This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in northwest suburban Deer Park, just across the street from the shops, restaurants, and theaters at the Deer Park Town Center. I'm in the clubhouse at the new Deer Park Crossing, which has a party room lounge adjacent to an outdoor pool and a grilling area, a comfortably furnished media room with a large screen TV, and a fitness center with a variety of cardio and strength training equipment. Join me for a walk through one of the apartments. I'm approaching a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath Madoch layout townhome. There's a coat closet in the entry foyer and stairs to the living level. I've just stepped off the stair on the living level where the eye candy is this terrific kitchen dining area. It's the open plan that everybody seems to love. Space to accommodate a table to seat 12. Sliding glass doors opening out to a wide balcony, and this just delightful kitchen. White quartz counters, there's a breakfast bar island. Stainless steel appliance package includes a dishwasher, there's a 5-burner gas range, a built-in microwave, French door refrigerator, great cabinet and counter space, 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage, and there's a pantry closet with shelving, tile backsplash, and then pass through out to the living area. What a great room this would be to entertain in. Windows on both sides of the apartment just flood it with light. There's a variety of lighting in the unit, including both recessed, pendant, and track lighting. We've got plank flooring that extends throughout this level, heading into a spacious living room, which also has a wonderful touch home office desk with drawers and cabinets for storage. Again, just an unusually wide space and unusually bright for a townhome. This is an end unit, which helps. Getting back toward the kitchen and dining area, there's a powder room off this area. Large for a powder room. White quartz counter on the vanity, and windows on 2 walls. Great flow here through the various spaces. We've got 2 walls of windows as I head up toward the bedroom level. Top of the stair on the landing, the door opens to a deep storage space. I'm on the top level where there are 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. We get a full-size stacked washer-dryer that's front-loading behind louver doors. Heading into this terrific master suite. Just a really generously sized room that can accommodate any size bedding and lots of additional furniture. Closet at the left end of the room there. Master bath has white quartz counter, undermount sinks, wide vanity and mirror, pack of drawers in the vanity for storage. There's a wide walk-in shower with a frameless glass door, and then a separate toilet compartment for privacy. 2 windows for natural light, and it has a linen closet. What a great master bath. Master suite has a second closet that's a walk-in with a variety of shelving and hanging space. Guest bath opens off the hall. Finishes similar to what you saw in the master. 2 banks of drawers in the vanity. Tractile lighting and tile. And a deep soaking tub. You got the second bedroom. Also has a walk-in closet. Windows on two sides for natural light. And then finally, on this level, third bedroom. All of the bedrooms are carpeted, have good closet space, and great natural light. On the ground level, which is bright. It's a wide window, plank flooring on this level also. Utilities behind the louvered doors. Walk-in closet off to the left here. And then a flex space. Would work well as a den, family room, playroom, teenager's room. Coat closet to the left as you would have entered from the garage. It's an oversized two-car garage, and there's an additional two-car parking on the apron directly outside. Looking out toward the trellised grilling area, which would be a great place to meet your neighbors in the summertime. This is an unusually wide, unusually bright townhome. Great flow, great separation of the functional living areas. Ton of storage. Just directly across the street from the Deer Park Town Center and theaters. Deer Park Crossing has a very appealing and extensive suite of amenities. Definitely belongs high on your must-visit list. Head to the Deer Park Crossing website for near real-time rent and availability info.